Hi, and welcome to my series on 40 preparation tips for S.E.A mathematics. Here is tip number 6. In today's tip, we'll be looking at using distributive law to solve equations. The distributive law states that the multiplication process is distributed over addition. Here's an example. Suppose if I were given 56 times 47. 56 can be written as the sum of two sets of counting numbers. For example, 50 plus 6, 40 plus 16, 30 plus 26, or even 48 plus 8. If we were to use 50 plus 6, then 56 times 47 would be equal to the sum of 50 plus 6 multiplied by 47. Note carefully that the 50 plus 6 must be placed in brackets. Distributing the multiplication of 47 over the addition would give me 50 times 47 plus 6 times 47. Note carefully that 47 appears in bracket 1 and in bracket 2. This is because the multiplication of the 47 was distributed. Note also that the 50 plus the 6 should give me the multiplicand. Looking at the same example, 56 times 47. The distributive law can also be demonstrated by putting the 47 as a sum of two sets of numbers. This could have been written as 56 multiplied by 32 plus 15, because 32 plus 15 will give me the 47. Distributing the multiplication of 56 will give me 56 times 32 plus 56 times 15. Note carefully, in this case, the 56 was distributed, and so therefore the 56 will be in bracket 1 and in bracket 2, whereas the sum 32 plus 15 is the multiplier, so that 32 plus 15 is 47. Here's an S.E.A example. Take a minute and pause the video and see if you can figure it out. Looking at the solution, you would recall that seeing that 105 is in both brackets, we can safely say that 105 was the multiplication that was distributed. You will also recall that 412 plus the unknown number should give me 512. That is to say, 512 times 105 should be equal to 412 plus some number multiplied by 105. This is because 105 was distributed over the addition. And recall that 412 plus the unknown number must give me 512. The unknown number, therefore, is 100. 100 is your answer. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For future upload, please put on your notification bell. Let's improve our mathematics in Trinidad and Tobago.